Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A daring rethink of the premium camper van lifestyle, the 2027 GIOTTIVAN Golden Series RV seeks to redefine what elegance, convenience, and adventure on wheels really mean. With its Golden Series, GIOTTIVAN, a brand that is becoming more and more linked to finely built and technologically sophisticated recreational vehicles, is set to establish a new standard and provide an experience that is unmatched for travelers who want the remarkable. The 2027 GIOTTIVAN Golden Series RV's exterior would represent a refined fusion of tough, expeditionary capability and automotive elegance. GIOTTIVAN would probably have a sleek, aerodynamic profile with clean lines and a contemporary, high-end finish, eschewing the conventional boxy RV look. A sophisticated and long-lasting exterior would result from the use of premium materials like composite body panels and automotive-grade paint. Advanced LED lighting signatures, flush-mounted windows, and integrated aerodynamic spoilers are examples of signature design components that enhance both aesthetic appeal and practical efficiency. Its top-tier rank is indicated by the Golden Series classification, which implies a premium appearance, possibly with delicate gold accents or exclusive badging. The Golden Series really shines inside, offering a degree of comfort and luxury that may compete with a posh boutique hotel. GIOTTIVAN's use of high-quality materials throughout would demonstrate their dedication to fine craftsmanship. Anticipate premium flooring, polished stone or solid surface counters, soft Italian leather upholstery, and hand-finished hardwood cabinetry. With a large living area, a gourmet kitchen that is well-equipped, and a cozy sleeping area, the layout would be cleverly created to optimize both space and usefulness. The following well-considered characteristics redefine the premium camper van lifestyle: smart space use, modular furniture, creative storage options, and possibly even retractable components would guarantee that every square inch of space is used effectively without sacrificing the feeling of openness. Gourmet kitchen, with cutting-edge amenities like a convection microwave, induction cooktop, and high-end refrigerator, the galley would be able to prepare elegant meals while on the road. Luxurious sleeping space, with a cozy, premium mattress, lots of closet space, and built-in entertainment systems, the bedroom would be a haven of rest. Spa-like bathroom, with a large shower, sophisticated fixtures, and superior finishes, the bathroom would provide a luxurious experience and a revitalizing haven. Integration of technology and intelligent features. Modern technology would be on display in the 2027 GIOTTIVAN Golden Series RV, which is intended to improve overall travel pleasure, convenience, and safety. At its heart would be an advanced smart home automation system that would let residents easily control the lighting, climate, entertainment, and security using touchscreens or a specific mobile app. High-speed Wi-Fi and satellite communication are examples of advanced connectivity features that would guarantee smooth integration with the outside world. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, would also be included in the RV for increased driving convenience and safety. Anticipate features like a 360-degree video system, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assistance. Energy efficiency would be a major factor, with enhanced insulation, integrated solar panels, and efficient LED lighting all helping to lower energy use and increase off-grid possibilities. The GIOTTIVAN Golden Series would be constructed on a sturdy and dependable chassis, probably a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter or a comparable high-end platform, behind its opulent exterior, guaranteeing a powerful, stable, and smooth driving experience. Long-term durability, plenty of power for a variety of terrains, and a smooth ride would be the main priorities. More than just a car, the 2027 GIOTTIVAN Golden Series RV makes a statement about how life ought to be lived, freely, stylishly, and with unwavering comfort. It serves people who see travel as an essential component of an opulent and daring lifestyle rather than just a means of transportation.